Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel IndiaGATE. This is Nandani Sharma. In this session of TOC, we talk about closure properties of all languages in a single review page with tricks. So before starting off this session, if you want new GATE tricks, tips and important points, so please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for all notification of new videos. So let's start. So I prepared this table for you, and here only one single page discussed today lecture. So let's zoom it for more clarification of all operation with related of the all type of language. So here first language is your regular language, and regular languages accept and close under the all type of the closure properties like union, concatenation, clean closure, positive closure, intersection, complement, difference, reversal, intersection with regular language, difference with regular language. So we say that regular language is closed under the all type of the language. Here check is represent like acceptance and closed under the all type of the properties, and cross is represent not closed under the that particular property. And come to the next language is your closed under the only three properties. One is your complement, second one is your intersection with regular language, and third one is your difference with regular language. So deterministic CFL is closed only three closure properties and not closed under the others like your union, concatenation, clean closure, positive closure, intersection, difference, reversal. And move on next point. So here CFL is not closed under the three properties. First one is your intersection, second is your complement, and third one is your difference. Otherwise it is closed under the all type of the properties accepting these three. Now move on. Third language is context sensitive language. So context sensitive language is not closed under the two properties. One is clean closure and second one is positive closure. And here one is exceptional, is difference property, because it in the CFL it may be closed under the difference or not difference, because it is not decidable. So CFL is not closed under the two main properties, your clean closure and positive closure, and other one it is accepted and closed under the all other properties. Now move on. Next language is recursive language. So recursive language is also not closed under the clean closure and positive closure. Otherwise it accepts all type of the properties. And come to the last language, it is your recursive enumerable language. This language is not closed under the two properties. One is your complement and second one is your difference. Otherwise it is accepted by all type of the properties and closed under the all type of properties. Here another two main point is that the regular language is not closed under the infinite union and infinite intersection. So this is a notable point for us. On short tricks. So short trick is that first short trick is that regular language is closed under the all type of the properties. Second trick is that deterministic context free language is closed only three type of the properties. First one is your complement, second one is your intersection with regular language, third one is your difference with regular language. And third trick is that CFL is not closed under these three properties. First one is complement, second one is intersection, and third one is your difference. And move on next. Properties, three properties. One is your clean closure, second one is your positive clean closure, and third is your difference. It is exceptional for it may be closed or not be closed under the CFL. Now move on. Fifth trick is that recursive language. So recursive language is not closed under the two type of the properties. First one is your clean closure and second one is your positive closure. And come to the last trick is that recursive enumerable language is not closed under the two type of the properties. First one is your complement and second one is your difference. So this is your short tricks. Now in next session of the DOC we discuss about all closure property based GATE questions. So this session is end here. I hope you understand all the points. Thank you for watching.